Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO F23, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging board using household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB power port. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use, because toothbrush is the best tool to clean your connector without damaging it. So if you don't want to damage the connector, you need to use the toothbrush. So insert the one part of the toothbrush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. It's not too easy to do, but it's easier than using other instruments to do it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.